Can AirPods work without their case?
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we'll be answering a common question that many Apple AirPods owners have. Will my AirPods still work even if I lose the case? It's a valid concern as these cases are tiny and easy to misplace. So, let's dive right in.
What is the role of the AirPods case?
Firstly, let's understand the function of the AirPods case. The case serves two primary roles. It charges your AirPods and it pairs your AirPods with your devices. Once your AirPods are removed from the case, they automatically turn on and connect to your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac that's set up with iCloud and continuity.
Can you use AirPods without the case?
The answer to this is yes. Your AirPods will function independently of the case, provided they have sufficient battery life. You can still listen to music, make calls, and use Siri. However, the absence of the case means you can't recharge the AirPods once the battery runs out. Also, if you've never paired the AirPods with a device before, you'll need the case to do the initial setup.
What happens if I lose my case?
If you lose your AirPods case, it's not the end of the world. As we've mentioned, your AirPods can still function with a charged battery. But, to recharge your AirPods, you'll need to purchase a replacement case. If you need to pair your AirPods with a new device for the first time, you'll also need a case. So, in conclusion, your AirPods will continue to work if you lose the case, as long as they have some battery power. But remember, the case is an integral part of the AirPods experience for charging and initial device pairing. If you do lose your case, consider purchasing a replacement to fully enjoy the features of your AirPods. I hope this information has been helpful. Stay curious and keep asking great tech questions.